The next one is actually 15 cents, then 21 cents, all the way up to 22 cents for that one. So I've heard quite a bit about this app called Upside to help save you on gas and restaurants and even groceries. So let's go ahead and go through the sign up process and see what it's going to ask you when it comes to signing up. Now, I'm going to have a link for you in the show notes down below if you want to sign up, getting a referral bonus. It also helps me out, but you get more free stuff just like this. So you can see right over here, we can actually log in easily with like a Google, Facebook, or Apple account. If you want to do any of those, you can just go ahead and sign up with your email address, which is what we're going to do here today. So the first thing it's going to ask you is to plug in an email and a password. And of course, it does give you some requirements for your password. So let's go ahead and fill this out and we'll go ahead and create our account. So right over here, it says a few more details. It says promo code optional. So again, I'll have that in the show notes for you. And then it says to choose your gas grade. We're just going to go with regular and then click on create account. And right over here, it says keep your offers high and relevant. It says allow Upside to use your app and website activities. You can click on continue here and it's going to ask if you want that. You can click no or yes and then change that later if needed. So up here, it's going to ask about permissions, about being able to get alerts. You can hit give access so that way you can get notifications, or you can click on not now. And again, you can change this later. So next up here, it's kind of cut off at the bottom, but it does say location permission. It says we need to know where you are to find cashback offers near you. So click on enable location service. And then the first thing that actually pops up right before our account is officially created, it says that we can go ahead and invite friends and get a 15-cent gas bonus when they use the app. So we can click on invite friends if we wanted to, or remind later, or we can even close it off. So right over here, you can see I actually have my very first offer already popped up for me to be able to save 7 cents on gas. I can claim the offer if I wanted to. Obviously, there is going to be some time constraints, so keep that in mind. So we can dismiss that for now. And then our account is officially created. Now, there is a little bit more information we want to be plugging in. So if you look at the top right, you're going to see the profile icon. So right over here, you're going to see it has your profile, the wallet. Your wallet's where you're going to want to put in your credit card information or debit card information. This just saves you a lot more time in the process. So if you click there, you can add a new card, of course, and then that way they can verify. And the nice thing is you're not putting in your full credit card information. If we go back to the profile account, you can see profile. And the nice thing right over here is if you did forget to put in a promo code, you can actually go ahead and still plug one in. You can see the promo code for us down there. So now when you're on the main page here, if you want to find more gas stations, you can obviously see an option that says gas. So if you click on here, it'll filter just by the gas stations. And you can actually see, even though there are multiple Circle Ks, each one is actually going to give you a different type of discount. So you can see the first one is 7 cents. The next one is actually 15 cents, then 21 cents, all the way up to 22 cents for that one. And then you can just keep scrolling. Obviously, look at the locations because you don't want to be driving too far for them. And then all you got to do is click on the claim right over there for any of them. And it'll tell you a reminder when you're ready to make the purchase. You click got it. And then it'll give you a heads up of when you got to do it, how much time you have left, and then making sure that you use the credit card that you have on file, which you want to do before you actually go to the gas station. Now, the nice thing is once you go through and actually claim your discounts and have that money showing up on your account at the top right over there, you can see obviously we have $0 for now, but once you have that claim, it'll go up, and then you can actually click your profile icon again, and you can see where it says cash out. And right over here, you can actually have a bunch of different options for gift cards, but you could also even transfer to your personal bank account. Right over here, obviously we don't have any money, so it won't allow us to do that. But once we do, we can do that, or we can do with like Amazon gift cards. We could do AMC, Applebee's, even Target, or even PayPal as well. So you got tons of different options to go with and have yourself earning some extra money. Now, once you go ahead and use that link in the show notes down below to sign up and get your promo code bonus, I want you to check out my next video over here to keep on learning ways to save money and make extra cash.